Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix error code Xerox in Modern Warfare 3. Sometimes outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can cause this error. Consider updating them to the latest version. To do this, simply visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, Nvidia or AMD, find your graphics card model and download the latest drivers. Install them and restart your computer. Antivirus or firewall software might sometimes interfere with the game and trigger this error. Temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall before launching the game. If the error disappears, you might need to add Modern Warfare 3 to the exceptions list in your security software. Corrupted game files can also lead to this error. Verifying the integrity of game files will replace any missing or corrupted files. To do this, launch Steam, right-click on Modern Warfare 3 in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. The game might be trying to use a DirectX version that's not compatible with your system. You can switch to a different DirectX version to see if that resolves the issue. Disabling high-definition audio devices can sometimes help. Go to your sound settings by right-clicking the speaker icon in the system tray. Select Manage Audio Devices, then go to the Echo Playback tab. If you see any high-definition audio devices listed, disable them. Installing the DirectX runtime can potentially fix the error. You can download it for free from the official Microsoft website. An outdated Windows operating system can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Make sure you have the latest updates installed. Go to Windows Update in your settings and check for any available updates. If none of the above solutions work, consider reinstalling the game as a last resort. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.